What's up, guys? I'm doing a short video of my AR-10 from Stag's arm. It's called the S10, but it's not about the gun. It's about my charging handle. Hold it like this. How it works. Yeah, it's ambi, it's oversized, and I like it because it's 308, and you have to pull the bolt back because the bolt's heavier than 5.56. So you can do this either side, or you can do this. Don't matter, but I like it because it's oversized. It's ambi. So far look good. Plus I added the SBA4 on it. Just put this package in. Yep, adjustable SBA4. Right now it's sold out, but so far I'm adding some goodies on my AR-10. So how you like it so far, Christian?
It's pretty good. Really great design, in my opinion. Very comfortable as well.
Yes, it is. In my other video on the unboxing on this one, I said it was 12.5, but I messed up. It's 14.5 inches on a barrel length. So I want to make it clear. It's not 12.5. But yeah, I just added, the SBA4 and a charging handle on it. So later on, I'm thinking about cerakoting it, like a camouflage color. But all this coronavirus going on, they can't do it right now. But yep. So far, so good. All right, guys, take care. Be safe.